If we can come here and get the real full house deal and spend less money instead of going to Burger King.
I'm not going to KFC or Burger King.
No machine cut.
No machine cut, uncut.
Yeah.
Oh!
So cheap and clean, that's what it's about.
That's cool.
Alright then. Alright, so I'm gonna pick up the burger then. You see? Burger friend. Burger friend.
Burger man.
Yeah man. Burger, yeah. Original.
Wow. It's right on the street side.
Oh, I'm seeing man.
Harbour View roundabout.
Right when I go to the airport, man. The airport there, no, man.
Original Burger man people.
Yeah, man.
Crazy price.
I know we have the chicken back too. We don't left out that.
Where's the chicken back? Wow, them chicken, them look well crispy though.
Oh, I'm seeing man.
Well crispy.
This is right to the bone.
Where's that?
Right to the bone, you can't eat that right to the bone.
So what kind of burger you normally deal with?
No, some of those chicken, I'm the beef.
Chicken?
So I know I prepare chicken burger.
Nice.
So we do it, you know. Yeah, man.
Yo, people look on this presentation at its best. That's a cheese.
Yeah, man, it's cheese.
Wow. Pickle.
Yeah, I get like the mustard bunny.
Honey mustard. Wow.
Exactly.
People look at that, man.
Cold water is juicy burger.
Whoa.
This give me the name burger, man, is it, man?
Eh?
This give me the name burger, man, is it, man? That burger we just presented a while ago.
Real, man. How long are you there about that? No burger?
No, so 9 years now, I'm on the roundabout.
Right at the spot there.
Right, that's everything.
Right at the spot. And every day people can find out just our.
Yeah, man, you know, so I take a Monday and Tuesday for the day off. From there, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, see?
True.
Right, that's so you get the real burger, hot dog, bologna sandwich. We have nuggets and fries with the chicken back and fries. Right, that's so right when I get the machine, you see?
Yeah, it's a whole kitchen there, so.
Yeah,
running
man.
water there, so too?
Yeah, man, we have a running.
Oh, yeah, so man. Whoa.
Water run and them things, man.
Crazy vibes, people.
Soap and them things.
Yeah, man, so you know nothing now, man. Yeah, them chicken look well.
Yeah,
well done. Real chicken back.
Oh,
chicken back look like a chicken.
Man, I'm going to chop a piece with this.
People look at this, man. Oh.
I'll sell one piece of 3 bills.
Oh, 3 bills a piece.
Yeah.
Oh.
Piece for 1 minute.
Well seasoned down to the bone.
Yeah, man, season, man. One that. Uncut chicken back.
Oh, this is the uncut.
Yeah.
You know the uncut. The uncut normally have more meat. Yeah.
This now the butter on it, beef.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we have the one that was the original butter too, and we have the one that, you know? Yeah, the one that this is it.
Crazy.
Yeah, man, come in, we have the pepper, yes, sir.
So it's a homemade pepper?
Yeah, man.
You make this?
Pepper. Yeah, man. Backyard pepper style.
Backyard pepper style.
Yeah, man.
Crazy vibes, people. Look at that, man.
Here, 3 bills, listen, are you ready?
Yes, if you pack up fine and put a little bit of ketchup and whole heap of pepper.
Alright.
Juice and them thing there.
Yeah, man.
So it's a whole full belly. That's cool, man.
Juice about them thing there, see me?
The whole full belly thing, man. Burger man,
The
man.
school, man. I was there from 1:30, you know.
From 1:30?
Yeah, we try to work with the schoolers then.
Oh.
Primary school and high school. Then I'll carry have a big school. So after school, them come in support and things. So I'm there early for them.
Naturally.
Yeah, so one really good thing about bag juice though.
Heavy look thing.
Yeah, man.
Crazy.
Right away.
Right at the roundabout, you don't know, yes, the original burger man there. If you not left from airport, you can't have to pass him right there, so. Real, original burger. I could see if make us see if him can really contest with the bigger man them in the game, like you don't know the KFC, the Burger King. But so far people, this the burger you haven't prepared not too long, people. This look real epic. Real epic and classic. So burger, you do so hold on, you know do fries and them thing they do.
Yeah, man, I do fries.
The fries and them thing there.
Yeah.
How are someone people?
I'm prepare hot dog from General right now.
Yeah, I go prepare hot dog.
Right, now come do hot dog, see them. From the whole line, man.
Street food vibes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. People, no KFC, no Burger King. Street food, original street food, burger vibes, hot dog vibes. No plating, people. Look at this.
Yeah, man. So what hot dog is it? Straight out of the pot. Oh. Wow. Look at the beef fry style. A little cheese.
Cheese.
My brother like a little tip of cheese and a little ketchup. So that's how I do.
Nice.
Some people will put every little thing else, but you don't know what they want it, that's it.
Natural vibes. Yeah, you say the body's chicken, but this.
Yeah, the baddest thing, maddest thing. Ketchup, everything.
Everything. Well seasoned up.
Yeah, everything.
Real, man. True.
Yeah, man, we have fries, man. We do fries, man.
It's a fries and them thing they
Yeah, man, we have
available.
fries with the chicken box.
Alright, so you sell the fries with the chicken box.
Yeah, I want to do the burger too. But
Okay.
that side all of that thing. So I think I want up on the side to get that on the side, is it?
Okay, nice.
So if you
Feel
want
like
to do the chicken
we have got full package
fries.
doing up. So why you prepare something for me now?
Yeah, man, definitely.
Yeah, man, full package
yeah,
doing up. We want the fries,
Yeah,
we
man.
want everything, we want the full house, you know, because we want to see if we can come here so
Yeah.
and get the real full house deal
Yeah.
and spend less money
Yeah. Well,
instead of going to Burger King.
I want to say, man, alright, or something.
Right, yes, sir.
Cheap and clean, that's what I'm saying, man.
That's cool,
Alright, I don't know. Yeah, man, I the mini Burger King, this like what them say. Them give me the name the Burger Man.
Burger Man
Don't know,
people.
so we have a whole chain.
Why you left your number for the people them doing it?
Yeah, man, if you want to contact me, you don't know, 1876-442-9463. Burger Man, you know, done deal, and make your order.
Right,
so.
on the Harbour View.
Right.
We have a nice sunset over there, so people.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful evening. We have a nice sunset over there, so I go down over the airport side, people. It's a whole vibe. The whole area is a very beautiful, pretty safe, pretty beautiful and safe area. For you come and stop and just get where you get. Natural vibes, no worries. It's a whole vibe, people, and we're there out here, man. They're out here, natural vibes.
Yeah, man, so we'll do the fries too. Oh, yeah. Fries ready, yeah.
Fries ready.
Long time.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, look at one right there, so is it?
Naturally.
That's the thing there, see me?
Salt.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. Paper bag, you know, you get a $2 worth of fries. You have to want you want a serving of cheesy fries, you can do that too.
A cheesy fries too.
Yeah, man. You
So,
can do
so you
that.
add the cheese to that.
Yeah, man.
See the burger done.
Yeah, right away.
See it.
Cool, man.
Get gone, you know.
Yeah, I know, man. I hope them one long time, is it? Cheesy fries with people.
Cheesy fries. How you sell the cheesy fries?
I get this 3 bills.
3 bills. Natural
Yeah,
vibes.
man.
And
Look at the pepper.
wow. Want add some chicken back to it still, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Want add some chicken back to these people. Look at these people.
Yeah, man.
Whole vibes. Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Presentation, well up.
Yeah, for real.
That's cool, man.
And that's the thing, man.
Yeah, man.
Preparation too good, you know?
Yeah, man.
So,
I got some chicken back to it, you know?
yeah, man.
Right, yes, sir.
I think, man, I just say, yo, chicken back, you know, but everybody have the same thing, you know? Why not come different?
Yeah.
I'm trying to think we're being the right thing. I'm not thinking, man, it's the
Right, yes, sir.
Right, that's it, that's it.
Whoa,
Yeah,
people, crazy vibes. Natural, true. people, you don't know this is the burger, you know. And the burger, this is the people, look at this. Right on the, hold on, what is the price on them burger?
7 bills to them.
7 bills to the burger. People, look at this.
I just think it's approximate everything, a big burger.
Every load of burger, these people. Every load of burger, look at this. Crazy vibes. Belly full. Belly full.
Burger King now nothing upon that. And Burger King now give them style. Burger King now nothing upon them burger there. And Burger King now give them style.
Whoa. People, right on the roadside now, we're gonna take the first bite out of this. And see I go to work. You know the vibes. Oh! People! Oh! Oh! Oh!
One thing, man. One thing.
Yo.
Yeah,
People, sorry about that. Have a laugh. It's a vibe. This is a whole vibe, people. Crazy, crazy vibes. People, I'm a China eat. Where's the China eat? Vibe, people. Crazy, crazy vibe. On the street side, full package, just like this. Look at that.
Wicked burger. I'm not going to KFC or Burger King.
Eh? Right, that's all. Straight.
The burger in the Where YouTube channel?
I hear that. Yard life's good. Yard life's good. Man, people, burger are sick. Wicked, wicked vibes, people. Wicked and singer. People, this alone left out of the burger. This burger is really, really nice. It's a vibe, people. I'm not telling no lie. Beautiful, beautiful vibes are going out just to see there. Sun actually has set. And you don't know the place. A very, very cool area in the evenings, just like this airport over there. So it's a beautiful scenery. The vibes, natural vibes. Burger, I don't know. Fries there, cheesy fries. Chicken back, well seasoned down to the bone. Whoa.
Burger man, you know, give thanks to the endorsement, you see. Oh, I like the KINGSTON car. I try to push it to a limit where we can have more than one of them at Jamaica, you see me? Yeah, right there, my this page. Plain pure art, you see it? Real chicken back here, well seasoned fries.
Well seasoned.
True. I done the thing them a while ago, hot dog and the burger then. Proper thing.
It's a chicken macaroni.
Yeah, man, fry some more.
Chicken macaroni, say it was a chicken macaroni fry.
Fry some more, is it? Good too. See there? Now the flour like that,
it's a whole season and everything down in there already.
The flour, the marinade and the flour and the chum and the oil and I'm that.
Season down to the bone.
Yeah, man.
Cool, man.
You can see and feel the people love it. Sure. Chicken what one? Uncut, you know?
Uncut.
Yeah. Not machine cut. Uncut.
No machine cut, uncut.
Yeah. One thing.
True.
Yeah, I'm a general star. That's what I like. I take off because I reach far, you know?
I don't know where you got to work. Look at this. Hold on, not yet. We are going out look a bit more.
Okay. Got it.
Whoa. Whoa. Vibes. This is a cheesy fries, guys. I don't know, I have pickle on it, to have ketchup, pepper, and some crazy chicken back right there. So well seasoned to the bone. And you know the vibes. Look at this. Whoa. Crazy. Yeah, them fries are dangerous. Wicked chicken back.
Everything.
Whoa. Yo, that chicken back here. People are chicken back here. Something to try. The pepper. Eat a kick. Whoa. And this is seasoned and fried up. Well fried up. Well seasoned down to the bone and fried down, people. Whoa. Guys, we can't stop eating a chicken here. Or I should say chicken back. Chicken back at that, people. It's a vibe. Crazy vibe. Another street food vibes, guys. Harbour View roundabout. Crazy combo deal. Crazy combo deal. In all, everything when we get with the burger, with the whole burger and the fries and everything on the sim I have just now come up to like 14 bills or less. Crazy vibes, people. Plus refreshment is a whole vibe. The chicken back sweet, people. So if you don't know, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Right on the Harbour View roundabout. This is Burger Man, and I'm always there, people, during the week, not just Fridays and Saturdays. I'm always there out here, so you can pass by, give him the support. Him food actually tastes good. The burger have me. Yeah, the burger really tastes good. We get the actual burger meat, chicken or beef, plus sausage, and that topped off with a lot of sprinkles, which is cheese, mayo, ketchup, relish, mustard, I don't know the greeneries them plus tomato. It's a whole vibe, people. So here we go on. We are tune out for this. Some chicken box sweet burger vibes, a crazy vibe. So yard life's good, street vibes.